We're walking. We're just walking.
We are just walking. I just want to get off the sun as soon as I can. Where are we?
I don't know. You tell me.
So we are at Bandstand.
Yeah.
One of the most famous places in Mumbai.
Yes.
Bandra.
Yep. Mumbai.
The other time we were at the Pearl Necklace, isn't it? Marine Drive.
It's at Marine Drive.
And today we are at Bandstand Drive.
It kind of is because it's like the walkways and stuff like that is kind of similar that we've seen.
I think this walkway will be slightly lesser than the one yesterday.
Might be.
But nice
I
and
don't
cool
know.
actually.
It is. We're in the shade. I think that's the reason why it's nice and cool. I think if we were...
Okay, the park it opens at 4 in the evening.
Ah, that's why. So
So we can just kind of walk this way, I think.
Yeah, come, let's go this side.
We'll come back that side.
Come on.
Time for the adventure.
Time for an adventure. Time for a walkathon.
Now walkathon again.
Walkathon. But lesser than yesterday.
Hopefully.
Yeah, it was good though. It was a nice walk.
Yeah, it was pretty nice. The food was good.
Yeah, the food was really good where we ate.
At Barimia.
Yeah, that's
The food was really good.
It was. It was.
Walk
It was actually really good. Yeah.
really helpful for the food to digest. There is the
digesting
two
all the carbs.
magpies.
Oh, we missed it somewhere.
Must see 2 means
Yeah.
1 for sorrow, 2 for joy, 3 for a boy, 4 for a girl, 5 for silver, 6 for gold,
Okay.
7 for a secret never to be told.
Okay. What was that, Liam?
Fighter jet.
Fighter jet.
I think the keys are already there. You just need to go in
You just need to get in.
and you need to put the throttle and it will take off. Wheels, fuels, everything is ready.
Yeah, all set for you.
I'm sure that actually like support wheels when it's standing. So sure the side wheels are for support.
Maybe.
Right.
Oh wow.
I don't think it's a flat, no. I think they're making a road.
Yeah, it looks like,
They're
eh?
making a road. Yeah, they're making a road. For reducing traffic like the one we traveled on, the Whirly Ceiling, I think this is a road. Guys, if you know what this is, let us know. It looks like it.
It does look like they're putting road. It's because it's like in line almost.
Yeah.
Daddy,
Wow.
exercise burns calories. Exercise burns.
Yeah, it does.
That is why we are walking. We had a nice breakfast at
did.
Prithvi Raj Cafe.
Yeah, it was really,
Unfortunately, or sorry, we couldn't do record it because we're not allowed to have cameras, and obviously for obvious reasons, for security.
Yeah, no, it's understandable. So we rather follow the rules.
Follow the route, but that was a nice and absolutely amazing and yummy breakfast.
It was really
at a very
good.
reasonable price, good ambience, good.
Yeah.
I think I liked it.
I also quite liked it. It was very chillax.
Very chill, like very nice and relaxed kind of an environment.
Yeah.
And so we decided, okay, fine, let us come to Bandstand.
A bit
And
of
maybe
a
we'll
walk.
take a walk to get all the
Catch
food
some
digested.
catch some vitamin D and
catch some vitamin D. Vitamin.
vitamin
D. Yeah.
and then
You should move or walk every 30 minutes. Another sign. That's
Okay.
so there's like
ABC of diabetes. Blood pressure.
you're not allowed to eat and cycle here. Okay?
You can't eat and no fight.
So please leave your cycles outside. Where are you going, Liam? Oh, Liam wants to climb on top first. Him and he's running, always.
Let us continue our journey. Let us continue for the rest of the walk, so we go all the way to the start. I
Yeah.
think there's somebody's house there, which is pretty famous. I think Shah Rukh Khan.
Is that?
Yep.
Was it someone else or was it his?
I think it's him.
Okay.
It's also a nice house.
Yeah.
Let's walk this side. The shade is
Yeah. It is, but it's nice cool though. It's not like too chill.
No, sun is in my eyes.
Some
Me and Mommy
nice.
didn't bring our caps.
Yeah, we don't have caps.
So me and Mommy will get it some nice
I need the cap.
We'll get some nice vitamin D. Yeah, you do need the cap.
Daddy is bold.
And he likes to have the cap.
Wait. I just decided not to put my hair. Oh, look at that.
Nice, eh?
When they block.
Yeah, it's
These-
completely like barricaded
These
off.
things look like it's in the memory of something.
Yeah, all of them actually.
Loving memory. Fond memory.
Yeah, all of them are.
Probably very well known people.
Looks like it, yeah.
Like,
You can see the damage caused by the being the waves of the ocean.
Yeah, you actually can see it.
oh, I think this one is going to be the hardest to maintain for climbing up there.
Yeah, because it's quite high up, eh?
I like the people that are walking with us when they fly away.
There goes. Yeah. No. They like to be between people because they know they get food. It's quite busy actually, eh?
Strange enough, kind of doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look, looks pretty neat, okay?
It does, yeah.
Comparatively.
Yeah, it does.
Again, guys, comparatively.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people that like to talk about the negative and the downside. But I think there's always something good that you can see in things.
There always is.
Yeah, so I would say comparatively,
You always just have to look at the bright side.
Comparatively, it's not bad at all.
Yeah.
This is a walking and a talking video.
Another one.
Nothing wrong with that, is there?
Bandstand. Why is the name Bandstand?
I don't know.
You have to Google that.
Yeah.
Because the band was standing here, I don't know. We'll have to Google it later.
The band is probably standing.
Yeah, that's the only thing I can think of.
There's that Shah Rukh Khan standing.
Oh, is that where everyone's standing there? Okay.
He's got like a place to go and stand and to wave at everybody.
Is it? So he's got a waving platform.
He's got it, Amitabh Bachchan has got it. He's got a platform to stand over there.
So everyone is patiently waiting to get a wave.
Oh, and yeah. I'm sure there must be a schedule or something that he follows.
Maybe.
Yeah, that's better. I can buy this. Yeah, so that's the house. And I think people start their bandstand trip from there. So we need to Google and see why it's called a bandstand.
Okay, let's Google quickly.
So bandstand is named after the bands that played here in the past.
So there, the bands were standing.
Yeah.
So I was right.
I was also, I just said, a band was standing.
There is also bandstands in other parts of the world. Edinburgh has.
Okay.
So that is in the UK, in the United Kingdom. Yeah. So there is another bandstand which is called as Ross Bandstand in Edinburgh, which is in England,
Yeah.
the United Kingdom. So we have two bandstands. So the bands used to play here.
How cool is
And now
that?
you just come here and stand. There is no band, it's only a stand.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go walk.
They say
Oh,
if
he's
you-
supposed to walk
They
on.
say you're a bandstand and if you don't have a plate of fruits standing,
But we had a breakfast and I'm quite full of the
but
breakfast.
you have something to eat. Now it's time to have a fruit salad. So while you stand, you got the fruits in your hand.
I think it might do well because it might just be like nice and hydrating.
You don't have coconut on the bandstand. You have a fruit in your hand on the bandstand. So you see, you see that stand over there, like that's kind of that step. He goes there, just he climbs up and stands.
Oh, and that's a stand where he stands the waves. Okay.
And then everybody goes, whoa, whoa. You get to see him in person.
How cool would that be? If we also get to see him? Huh?
Yeah, if he comes up, maybe we'll jump across the center.
Yeah, we'll fly over the road and go see.
Crazy. It's okay. Maybe
Yeah,
if...
let's go.
Okay. Tell me one personality who comes and stands there and you jump over this boy. Tell me you, tell me first.
What personality?
One personality that if that person was standing over
That
there,
you would definitely jump and go
across,
and see.
Run across the road just to go.
Slash.
Slash.
From Guns N' Roses.
Okay, you?
I think it's Freddie Mercury would definitely do that.
No, we're talking of currently. We're not talking of the ones that
I just
Huh?
You do someone in cricket.
Ooh.
stood board. Yeah, that would be
Okay, who
Or
would I-
Jimmy Anderson.
Who would I do? Huh? Who would I do? Tell you?
Tell me.
Cyril Ramaphosa. Okay? If Honorable President of South Africa,
Was he?
Mr. Ramaphosa is standing over there, I'll jump.
I
That's
think
a
we
good
all
one.
four will.
And I'll just
Yeah.
do this. And he'll know, hey, man! Come here, my brother. What are you doing here? I'm visiting, just like you.
Yeah.
I am visiting.
Careful. Careful.
I was standing in the shade.
Yeah, and now we have to walk
Now
again.
you pulled me out in the sun. I was just waiting in case. If,
But is he here
signs
though?
to show. I don't know.
Didn't we see that
I
he's somewhere?
didn't call and ask whether he's here or not. I don't know.
Yeah, we didn't go to see. Okay, Liam just wants to go. Because he's always on the go, go, go.
He wants to go, bring me. He wants to make sure that he's having fun so we can go for the next one.
Yeah,
And we just like to walk.
we actually do. It's actually quite lovely to just walk.
Huh? Look, the pages are very bright.
Yeah.
Want to catch one?
No thanks.
Liam's pulling the pigeons and they're coming closer.
Hello, PGs.
So that's some pigeon talk. One-on-one. One-on-one. No, they come with you. You have to use your hand a little bit up your hand.
Yeah.
These pigeons are not scared. These pocket pigeons. They also came here for an opportunity.
They're like pets.
No, even the Bombay pigeons are here for an opportunity. When they get it, they grab it. They don't hesitate. That is why they are more brave than the other.
Yeah, they are actually.
They came here for an opportunity. Alright? So they are an opportunist. They're not scared. Bombay does have a lot of pigeons. If I'm not mistaken.
Every city has.
No, every city has character. And especially I think it's an old city. It's
Yeah.
an old city. I think that everybody do tend to have a bit more.
Yes. More opportunity for them.
Yeah, so I think that's all. And Bandstand, not much. So compared to the two places, if I have to compare Bandstand and Marine Drive,
Marine Drive is better.
I think Marine Drive is better, ne?
I agree as well. I just found the vibiness in Marine Drive. It's just so much more. Like here, it's quite like,
Dull.
like so like, yeah.
I don't know. I don't know.
Maybe in the evening or
Maybe irrespective of the people, like even if there was no people in Marine Drive and you know, you take a walk there, I think I liked it much better.
yeah, it's like the aura of the place.
This is a bit kind of, I don't know. So there you go. I think it's the box ticked.
Yeah.
Again, people said that Bandstand is the place.
Yeah, we
got to
could
see
say we've
all
been
the,
there,
we got
so-
to see where all the actors stay.
Yeah, we saw
So
that.
that's a tick box. We saw
Yeah.
where Shah Rukh Khan stays, so that's a tick box.
Yeah.
And yeah.
And the jet that Liam saw over there.
And I think, I think we'll move on to the next ones. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, thanks for the recommendations. And again, there's a couple of names that will be popping up just to say thank you for all the support, and for
All the
love.
all
Thank
the
you
love.
for the amazing comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and
Hashtag
Shortleft, because you never know what's waiting around the corner.
Exactly.
Yeah, take care.
See you in the next
next
one.
one.
Yeah.